Ever wonder how top brands attract leads before the sales pitch even begins? That magic, it's called demand generation. And today, I'll break it down in 90 seconds. Hi, we're Big Click Spoon, and if you're confused by terms like marketing funnel, lead nurturing, B2B demand gen, you're not alone. Let's demystify it. It's a data-driven marketing strategy that builds awareness and interest in your product before someone's ready to buy. Think of it like planting seeds months before harvest. From top-of-funnel content like blogs and webinars to bottom-funnel tactics like personalized email nurturing, Demand Gen feeds your funnel with educated, sales-ready leads. Imagine you're a startup offering CRM tools. Instead of cold calling, you launch a LinkedIn campaign, offer a free guide on lead management, collect emails, and nurture them into clients. That's Demand Gen in action. If you're ready to build a smarter funnel and stop chasing cold leads, subscribe for more bite-sized growth strategies. Drop in the comments if you learned something new. See you in the next one.